The woodcutter. Working in the forest, surrounded by the quiet hum of nature and the towering presence of ancient trees, is a privilege. But it's also a profession that demands respect, skill, and an unwavering commitment to safety. Felling a tree is not just about brute force. It's a calculated dance with gravity, a science that ensures the safety of the cutter, the surrounding environment, and the integrity of the timber. Every cut, every assessment, and every step taken is part of a meticulous process honed over generations, a process where a single mistake can have devastating consequences. This is why understanding and mastering safe tree cutting techniques is the absolute foundation of our craft. It's what separates a professional from an amateur and ensures we can continue to work sustainably and safely for years to come. Before the roar of a chainsaw ever breaks the silence, the most critical work begins with a thorough assessment. We start by examining the tree itself. Is it healthy, or are there signs of decay, such as fungal growth, dead branches, or hollow spots in the trunk? A compromised tree can behave unpredictably when it starts to fall. We also look at the lean of the tree. A natural lean can be used to our advantage, but a severe or uneven lean requires a more complex felling plan. The surrounding area is just as important. We identify what we call the drop zone, the intended landing spot for the tree. This area must be clear of other valuable trees, large rocks, deep ditches, or any obstacles that could cause the tree to kick back, bounce, or shatter upon impact. We also have to be acutely aware of what's beyond the drop zone. Power lines, buildings, roads, or trails must be given a wide berth, always calculating a safety margin of at least 1.5 times the tree's height. Once the assessment is complete, we establish 2 clear escape routes. These are not just suggestions. They are lifelines. The routes should be planned at a 45-degree angle away from the back of the intended direction of fall, creating a V-shape behind the tree. This path takes you away from the trunk, which could kick back off the stump, and also keeps you clear of the main fall line. We physically walk these routes, clearing away any trip hazards like loose branches, vines, or dense undergrowth. In a split-second situation, a clear path is non-negotiable. It's the difference between a close call and a serious injury. This preparation phase is deliberate and unhurried. Rushing this initial stage is the first step toward an accident. With the site prepared, we can begin the felling cuts. The first cut is the directional notch, or face cut. This is what controls the direction the tree will fall. It typically consists of 2 cuts that meet to form a wedge, which is then removed from the trunk. The top cut is angled downwards, and the bottom cut is horizontal, meeting the top cut precisely. The depth of this notch should be about 1/4 to 1/3 of the tree's diameter. An accurate, clean face cut is the steering wheel for the entire operation. A poorly executed notch can cause the tree to fall off target or create dangerous barber chairing, where the tree splits vertically up the trunk as it falls. The final and most decisive cut is the felling cut, or back cut. This is a horizontal cut made on the opposite side of the tree from the face cut. Crucially, the back cut is made slightly above the level of the horizontal cut of the face notch. This creates a step that helps prevent the tree from sliding backward off the stump. As we make the back cut, we leave a small, uncut section of wood between the back cut and the notch. This is the hinge. The hinge is the most important element in controlling the fall. It must be of uniform thickness across the trunk, acting like a true hinge on a door, guiding the tree smoothly and accurately into the drop zone. If the hinge is too thin, it can break prematurely. If it's too thick or uneven, the tree may twist or fall in an unintended direction. As the back cut nears completion, we listen and watch for the tree to start its fall, ready to use our pre-cleared escape routes the moment it begins to move.